Hello students, welcome back to my channel. This is a question from class 10, pair of linear equations in two variables. Let us solve these pair of linear equations graphically. Children, whenever we are representing graphically, draw the graph of this equation, in the same Cartesian plane, and then we will see what is the solution of this equation. Children, in class 9 we have already studied how to draw the graph of linear equation in two variables. We know that linear equation graph will be a straight line. Okay, we need to put the values of x in order to get the values of y, or we can put some values of y to get some values of x. Okay, so let us take three values of x or y to get the other variable values. Okay, so I am going to take here three values. Okay, so first if we take x as 2, what we will get? 2 times 2 is 4, minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. That means this minus y I can take it to the other side, it will become positive y. 4 plus 1 is 5. That means when x value is 2, y value we are getting as 5. Let us take y value as 0. If we take y value as 0, this part will go off. So what we will get? 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, or x will become plus 1 transpose minus 1. This into 2 will become by 2. Minus 1 by 2 or minus 0.5. Okay, so this part will be minus 0.5. Let us take x value as 0. If we take x value as 0, what you are left with? Minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, or minus y goes that side, plus y ban jayega, or we are left with y. So y value will be 1. Okay, now let's write the points which we got in ordered pair. Okay, so we are having 2 comma 5 minus 0.5 comma 0, 0 comma 1. Okay, the second equation, let us find out 3 points. Okay, let us take x value as 0. If we put x value as 0, what we are left with? This part will go off. We are left minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. Minus 2y is equal to plus 8 becomes minus 8. Y is equal to 8 by 2, which is 4. Okay? So y value will become 4. If you take y value 0, तो क्या हो जाएगा? If we take y value 0, this part will become 0. So x plus 8 is equal to 0. So x will become minus 8. So x will become minus 8. Let us take x value as 1. If we take x value as 1, what we will get? 1 minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay. Minus 2y plus 8 plus 1 will become plus 9 is equal to 0. Or minus 2y is equal to minus 9, or y will become 9 by 2, which is 4.5. So this will become 4.5. Okay, now let us write these points in ordered pair. Okay, we get 0 comma 4 minus 8 comma 0, 1 comma 4.5. Okay, now let us draw the graph. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, taking as y dash. If you observe, for the first equation, we got 2 negative 0.5, that we have to mark 1 and 2 points here, and negative we can mark, and for y we have maximum as 5. Okay, 1, 4, 5. We did not get any negative values here. First one is 2 comma 5. Okay, ordered pair is always x followed by y. पहले 2 पे जाइए, from 2 go till 5. So this is the point. ठीक है. Next is minus 0.5 comma 0, x comma y. So y 0 है, तो it will lie on x axis. Negative 0.5 will be here. Okay. Next 0 comma 1, x followed by y. X is 0, so y, it will lie on y axis 1. Okay. Now join these 3 points. First equation, which is 2x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So if we observe here, 0 minus 8, 1. 1 we already have, negative side we have, so just mark till minus 8. Mark. First one is 0 comma 4, x followed by y. X is 0, it will lie on y axis. Okay. On y, it is here, it is the point. Next one is minus 8 comma 0, x followed by y. So y is 0, so it will lie on x-axis minus 8, which is here. next point is 1 comma 4.5 है ना. So 1 is here, 4.5 will be here in between this. Okay, so try to draw properly, children. Exactly when you do in the graph paper, it will come properly. Okay, now let us join this 3 points. So this is second equation graph, which is x minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. Children, what do we observe? Both these lines are meeting at a point, this point, right? What is this point? 2 comma 5. So 2 comma 5 is the solution of this equation. So 2 y is equal to 5 is the solution for this pair of linear equation. Children, for all the pair of linear equations, will we get a unique solution? That means will it intersect only at one point? So for that, let us see next question. Graph for this pair of linear equation. First equation is x minus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Take x as 0. So what we will get? Minus y minus 6 is equal to 0, or minus y is equal to 6, or y is equal to minus. Y value we are getting negative 6. Now let us take y value as 0. Children, we can take any number. It is up to you. Okay. So if you take y as 0, this part will become 0. So we will get x minus 6 is equal to 0, or x is equal to positive 6. If we take y as 1, so what we will get? This place you substitute 1. X minus 1 minus 6 is equal to 0, or x minus 7 is equal to 0, or x is equal to positive 7. So let us write these points in ordered pair. 0 comma minus 6, 6 comma 0, 7 comma 1. Right. Now let us take the second equation. What is the second equation? 2x minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. X as 0, this part will become 0. So minus 2y plus 2 will be equal to 0. Minus 2y is equal to plus 2 वहाँ पे जाएगा, it will become minus 2. Y is equal to 2 by 2, which is 1. ठीक है. So y value will become 1. Let us take x value as minus 1. Okay, x value as minus 1. If we put x value as minus 1, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. है ना. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel. So minus 2y is equal to 0, or y is equal to 0 by minus 2. 0 by anything is 0. So we are getting y value as 0. Let us take x as positive 1. If we take x as 1, 2 into 1 is 2. Minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. 2 plus 2, 4. Okay. So minus 2y plus 4 will go that side and become minus 4. Y will become 4 by 2, which is 2. Okay. Now let us write these points in ordered pair. Ordered pair. So what did we get? 0 comma 1, minus 1 comma 0, 1 comma 2. Now let us draw the graph. This is y-axis and this is negative y-axis. Now here it is 0. Now if you observe, children, what are the points we have for the first equation? In x-axis we want till 7. So go till 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. है ना? And we don't have any negative values for x. Now we have negative 6 over here, and y positive is 1. Okay, so यहाँ पे 1, and this part is negative 6 you have to take. Now here you see, children, first we have 0 comma minus 6. ठीक है. So x, this is y. X value is 0, so it will lie on y-axis, which is minus 6. Okay. So minus 6 is here. Next point is 6 comma 0. Ordered pair is x comma y. Y value is 0. It will lie on x-axis positive 6. That is here. Next one, 7 comma 1. 7 comma 1. So where is x-axis 7? Here. Go till y-axis 1. Okay. Now join these 3 points. So this is our first equation, x minus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Now let us plot these points. So we have negative 1. So let us mark negative 1 here. Okay. And we have y till 2. Okay. Is 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1. X followed by y. X is 0, so it will lie on y-axis. Where is positive 1 in y-axis? It is here. Okay. This point. I have taken lot of gap over here. Minus 1 comma 0, minus 1 comma 0. So x followed by y value is 0, it will lie on negative x-axis, that is here. Okay, chalo. Next is 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2. Positive 1 is here, positive 2 is here, so it will be here. So join these 3 points. So this is our second equation, which is 2x minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. Children, what do you observe? They are parallel lines, right? We can see they are parallel lines. So that means if we keep extending this line or this line, they will never meet. That means there is no solution for this pair of linear equation. Okay, because the lines formed are parallel lines. So first one we got intersecting at one point, and now we got parallel. Let us see the third question. Children, now let us see this third question. Values of x. First let us put x as 0. If we take x as 0, what we will get? Y minus 1 is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 1, वहाँ पे जाएगा plus 1. Okay, next let us take x value as minus 1. So 2 times minus 1 is minus 2, plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So y is equal to minus 3 goes that side and becomes plus 3. Okay, let us take a y value as 0 now. So if y is becoming 0, what you will get? 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, or 2x is equal to 1. X will become 1 by 2, which is 0.5. Okay? So this will become 0.5. Let us write the points in ordered pair. What is the first one? 0, 1, now minus 1, 3 and 0.5, 0. These are the points we got. Now let us go with the second equation. Let us take x value as 0. Okay, if we take x value as 0, what we are left with? 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. ये part 0 बन जाएगा बच्चा. So 2y is equal to minus 2 becomes plus 2. Y is equal to 2 by 2, which is 1. Okay, so here you put it 1. Next one, let us take y value as 0. If we take y value as 0, this part becomes 0. So 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. 4x will become minus 2 goes that side and becomes plus 2. X will become 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2 or 0.5. So यहाँ पे 0.5. Let us take x value as 2. Okay, if we take x value as 2, 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. 8 minus 2 कितना? 6. 6 plus 2y is equal to 0. 2y is equal to minus 6, or y is equal to minus 6 by 2, which is minus 3. Okay, comma 0 and 2 comma minus 3. Okay, now let us draw the graph. This is x-axis, this is x dash negative x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is y dash negative y-axis. This is the origin. First one is 0, 1, x followed by y. X value 0 है तो it will lie on y-axis 1. Where is y-axis positive 1? ये point. ठीक है. Next one is minus 1, 3. Minus 1 is here, negative side. Go till 3. 3 is here. Okay, so this point. Next one is 0.5, 0. X followed by y. Y value 0 है तो it will lie on x-axis, which is here, 0.5. Now join these 3. Let us join these 3 points. So this is the equation, which is 2x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, let us draw the graph of the second equation. First one is 0, 1. So x followed by y. ठीक है. So x value 0 है तो it will lie on y-axis, which is here. Y value 1 is here. ठीक है. 0.5, 0. ठीक है. So x followed by y. So it will lie on x-axis. Again, this is the point. Next one is 2, minus 3. So x followed by y. Where is 2? We have to mark minus 3, right? So minus 3 we will mark. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So 2, minus 3 it will be here. That means if you observe, this line is coinciding. The second equation also we are getting on the same line. This is the first equation and this is the second equation, which is 4x plus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. That means this pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions. They are infinite solutions and they are coinciding. Okay. Now children, we can't draw every time the graph and check whether we will get a unique solution or no solution or infinite solution, right? So let us understand about the conditions. First graph which we have drawn was 2x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. The graph of this, we got a unique solution and they are intersecting at a point. The both lines are intersecting at a point, right? Now how can we see the coefficients and identify whether it is a unique solution and intersecting graph? Okay, so here this is in the form of, we know the standard form of a pair of linear equations, right? a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. This one will be a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now let us see a1 by a2, which is 2 by coefficient is 1, which is 2. Okay, b1 by b2. b1 by b2 is what? This coefficient is minus 1 by minus 2, which is 1 by 2. That means if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, यहाँ पे हमको not equal आया ना, 2 is never equal to 1 by 2, right? If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then it is the pair of linear equations has unique solution and they intersect at a point. They intersect at a point. The lines will intersect. Okay. Then second question was x minus y minus 6 is equal to 0. 2x minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now here a1 by a2 is, here a1 is 1 by 2. Okay. b1 by b2 is minus 1 by minus 2, which is 1 by 2 again. Now let us see c1 by c2. c1 by c2 is minus 6 by 2, which is minus 3. That means if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, then pair of linear equation in two variables has no solution. This pair of linear equation has no solution because the lines will be parallel. That is what we have done graphically, right? So here you may get a doubt, what about c1 by c2? Children, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then it's immediately unique solution. c1 by c2 may be equal, may not be equal, but from this condition it is unique solution. They intersect at a point. Okay, let us see our third question. 2x plus 1 plus y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now from here, what is a1 by a2? What is a1 by a2, which is 2 by 4, 1 by 2. What is b1 by b2? b1 by b2 is again 1 by 2. Here the coefficient is 1, right? c1 by c2 is minus 1 by minus 2, which is again 1 by 2. That means, children, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then the pair of linear equations will have infinitely many solutions. Yes, we have seen graphically, right? The lines will coincide one on the other. Okay, so these are the three conditions. Unique solution when a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. When the lines are parallel and no solution, it is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. We will get infinitely many solutions when the lines will coincide. That means the condition will be a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Hope you understood this complete graphical representation and conditions of pair of linear equations. These three conditions are very important. In future videos, we will be seeing some questions based on these conditions. Okay. Hope you liked my video. For more such interesting questions, please do subscribe to my channel.